Hi, today I will be reviewing the interactive whiteboard platform known as OpenBoard. The URL is www.openboard.com. This tool is free, although a download is required. It does download pretty quickly. Once my download was done, I did create a shortcut on my desktop. So once I clicked on that, this screen opened. You can click up here where it says stylus to remove the toolbar or to make it appear. So all the tools are pretty easy to use. I'm just going to show you the ones that I think are most important. So we can write. I can write whatever I need to like this. There's an eraser, so I can erase it. You can change the background. So if you were doing a math lesson, you might use the grid background to help keep your numbers lined up. I think that would be helpful for students as well. The next feature I'll show you is the web browser feature. Up in the search bar here, you can go to Google. And then if you need to bring up a resource or like a YouTube video, you have it all on your whiteboard here. So you don't have to go back and forth between screens, which I think is pretty helpful. So you can just go click back to board or click to web if you need to. So I thought that feature was pretty cool. Over here, you can upload movies, pictures, audio recordings, animations, shapes. You can favorite documents to bring up, and then you can save or capture your background or your screen for later use. That's this button down here. It says capture part of the screen. Then on this side, if you needed to add another page, so if your notes went off of this page, you can just click add page and then go back and forth. So I think that's helpful as well. You can also add text if you need to. There's even a virtual keyboard that pops up, so you can type on that if you need to. There's a highlighter. So an example of how this can be used in a classroom is by having a number sentence like this on the board and then dividing the class into two teams. There's team 1, team 2. One student from each team can come up and race to solve this problem, and whoever gets it right can get a point. And I know that most students like to participate in competition activities, so I think that this can be really engaging for students. For younger kids, you can do category interactive activities, so sorting, like fruits from vegetables. Students can come up and drag apple as a fruit, potato as a vegetable, pear as a fruit, carrot, onion. So that's something simple. They know they got it right because it turns green. You can edit the sorting activity, so you can do spelling patterns or shapes. I started to do that in the background here. So that was OpenBoard. I hope that you consider using it in your classroom. I think it has many benefits for you as a teacher and for your students. And thank you for watching.